Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Nails. Nails. Let us tell you a get nail in a awesome blog which give you a Twitter videos on how to use nail tempers, creating the galaxy manicure everyone love and much more. Besides, her blogs are also frequently published on all permanent fashion magazines like Huffington Post, Live City Mirrors, Glamours, and MTV Style. Nail It is another subscribe blog whose designs are frequently featured on a Glamour and stylists to name a few. The faded French Twitter has been a hung hit. The nails are designer excellently how know how to play with colors and blend them to create a wow effect. Another great blog for you. The Nail Showers is a UK based blog featuring nail art designs and tips for girls looking for a modest budget in which they can get high and a manicure to add dollars stores prices. Nails art